everyone, welcome to Z's Cozy Corner where creativity meets the conversations. I'm your host Z and you are welcome. Before we dive into the conversations, ngicela ukunikhumbuza guys, ningalibali kaloku ukucofa this red button. Support, subscribe, share, like do anything oqonda into yobana izasinceda support isikhulise. Right. Well, today ngihleli no King, not just a king, King Melon, all the way from Eval. I'm not gonna say much about him. King, how are you?
I'm good, thanks to yourself.
I'm good.
Nice. Okay. Nyapi.
Yeah, ngicela usitshele mina ngibatshela ukuthi you are King.
Yeah.
King Melon RSA.
RSA.
Yeah, can you please tell more about King Melon RSA?
Okay. First things first, hello Z.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's nice. Yo, sanibona balandeli emakhaya. This is your boy Itumeleng. I go by the name of Itumeleng. Cindi, surname Cindi.
Cindi.
Yes.
Cindi.
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 Yes.
That's not. Ayiphelelanga ubabuza ukuthi ithini leyo
So yeah. So the surname Saypasane. Actually, my name is Itumeleng, aka King Melon RSA from Val. So I'm a musician, I'm an actor, I'm a dancer, I'm a director. I'm also a founder of A-Listers Media.
Okay.
Yes. So as far as I can say, talent is really diverse.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Yes, I even took it to like to a business level. I'm told it's not just ukucula anymore.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm more focusing now on what's behind ukucula. Yini into enza ukuthi izinto zenzeke. You know, yeah, because of now we too focused on being on a studio, record, and then wait for things to happen. And then kusasa uyakhala ukuthi izinto asihlangani.
Yeah.
But what did you do? You recorded ngalendisa kuphela ngefoni.
Wamela ama miracles ukuthi ayenzakala.
Yeah. So yeah, it's now on a business level.
All right.
Yeah.
Before we go there, you said something about acting as well, which
Yes.
I didn't know.
Yes.
And then musician, like ngicela usithathe from ekuqaleni ukuthi iqale njani this thing, like being an actor, musician, like everything. How did it start?
Okay. So it all started as a dancer. I was a little kid othanda ukujiva nje kakhulu.
Okay.
You know, thanda ukujiva. So since ukukhula kwami, I fell in love with that. Ngakhula nayo, and then it opened doors for me, like being a contestant
Yeah.
at bounce papa bounce. I was like, yo, ngisasentwana mfethu. I think I was like 16 or 15 years old. Ngenza boma grade 9 or 10 isikela la. Manje sengintwana leya manje sevele TV manje. So it built directing leyo ukuthi manje, you know what, intwana yami, you are going on the right direction.
Mm-hmm.
You know. So that was whereby izinto zami sezacala manje zavuleka kancane. It gave me hope in a direction. So along the way, dancing introduced me to a theater level. I got adopted by a theater director, Bambiza Ricardo Temane.
Mm-hmm.
Ricardo Temane is an actor, Yagu Skim Sam. They call him Captain Twilo.
Okay.
Captain Twilo from Skim Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he adopted me from Val, one letter at Tembisa. That's whereby he groomed me, made me an actor, trainer kahle. I was even chilling at church, sleeping at church.
Oh man.
Yo, lala phansi. Yo, it was hectic. But then the struggle continues. ngisukeleni ekhaya ngezalana. So the motive behind indaba leyo ukuthi no, I'm not going back home ngaphathanga nix.
Oh yes.
Uyangithola? And ngiphume endlini ngithini?
Then mawuzobuya ungaphathanga nix.
Mangibuya ngaphathanga
Usuthi
nix.
boyodlala
Am I a failure? Uyangithola la, am I playing for the losing team?
Yeah.
No ways. Uyangithola? No ways. So I had to like stay there. Uyangithola, adopt with or without ukudla indlala baba adopt. You know what? Something will come. Uyangithola? Ngeke umdala kulethe lapho nomvela inqanya kulethe lapho nje just for nothing. Uyangithola ngakuvuleli anything. You came for a reason, Joe. Just be patient. I became patient. That's why buying is a trainer for the acting.
Okay. Like theater. That was from dancing to acting.
Dancing to acting.
Okay.
Yeah. The transition enzeke I think being singing 22, 23. That was 2018 or 2017. 2016 or 17. Kulapho ke ngi-adoptwe Tembisa, and then I was introduced to acting. Along the way wabese kangivulela because of njengamtshela ngathi I'm not an actor, I'm a dancer mina. Ngithola le give me dance gigs mfethu, ngithola le vula ama dance gigs. So he was like, oh, is it athi uyawazalana ngwaphetha ama dancer but angase groupini esiceleni ngithi thatha le group le uhlanganise ne group yethu kube group A1 akunyiwe sifuna imali nathi sifuna ukudla la. Uyangithola kanti ngizeleni mina lana. So he started becoming like, no, this boy ngiyayithanda manje lengqondo naye lena mthi ngiyenza into eyi-1 unity sengiyazi ukuthi ngifocus ku team A1 manje angifocus kuma group ayi-2 uyabona. So that's how it grew. So kulapho ke sesicala manje sisithola ama bookings manje uyabona, sengithola ama bookings we dance along sokumanje ukuvuleka ama traditional dances of which I did not know. Now I'm forced to know them. How here is a gig, introducer, and when it introduces umuntu lo uthi you've got 5 days to catch this routine. Friday, it's Monday, he says Friday ngiyaselecta. Maybe on a cast year too, it's like 11 or 10 guys, 12 girls, 13 girls. And then magazine we select like 4 guys, 4 girls. More like 8 guys, 8 girls. Uyangithola lento le. Maybe it's 4 guys, 4 girls. Imali yakho na seyashare ukuthi okay, half yakho. So anyway, artist extra. Sesizwe labanye abukuthi nabo baphume because we come from different provinces lapho. Sahlanganele Tembisa sonke, sahlanganele church sonke.
Okay.
So it's Royal Rumble. Umunye nomunye iplate babo yazilwela. Uyangithola it's a plate lento leyo. So that's how manje inhliziyo yami iqala ukucina khona. Phume ekhaya and like ngisukele nje ekhaya endlini. Ngifuna ukusurvive nami ngizodlani vandag. Uyangithola lele ngiyeza gig. Uyangithola lele ngitshele ngiringile ne director nama gig akhona. So what? Spana uthiyami. Uyangithola nafaka pressure ke. And that's why I was like, nah, this is a challenge. I don't know traditional dance, but let's go. Uyangithola. Xhosa dance. Guys, na Xhosa dance routine babiza choreographer yayishaya maqeda ukuyishaya we adapt. From that we bamba same time but we bambishisa. So now is a tricky one. Thina sicast ukuthi sithole cast enye ngapho. It's a cast on top of a cast. He casted a new cast, eloke ne cast. Ricardo.
Okay.
Uyangithola. So ukhulisa icompany ngithi ukhulisa ama actors and futhi ufuna ama actors more for imiyoho elisekho ne Pieces of the Past. He had like 3 plays. 2 Pieces of the Past imiyoho elisekho. 2 plays that I remember. Uyangithola. So bekafuna ama dancers, ama background dancers, ama main actors and all that. So beka castela lento leyo. Eventually ngabe sengivula ukuthi mina also bring the dancers sidle nathi. Yabona, that's why buying izinto lezo killed traditional dance sengibulala sengiyazi ukuthi ngiperforma every day. Castle Kyle started adopting us and all that. So it was growing. Bengibona ukuthi no man, I'm now starting to make a living with this talent. uyangithola
eyenu ne
so singiyazi ukuthi okay makuvela i-traditional dance ngiyashaya iyabhadala, makuvela i-acting ngiyashaya iyabhadala, makuvela i-music ngiyashaya, nanoma ingabhadali enye mayivele iyabhadala. Even got contracts, Sheer Publishing, I got Sheer Publishing, but I did not agree the terms with it. Ngavele ngaye director ngizele nayo uyabona, introduce it to me ukuthi yo Kimelon, you just got a
and
deal
then
with
how
Sheer
old
Publishing.
were you by the time?
I was 23.
You were still young, but like you also uthatha ama decisions ukuthi I'm not taking this one.
No, ngiyayibona uyangithola. So it's like you must also angithi sasedomonyana ma uthami i-highlight ikhona la mfethu uyangithola lento le okushawa i-percentage kancane okambe i-percentage at least ke da-ke uza understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi okay 50% yaphi i-30% yaphi in so kulapho ubona khona mina ngiyosela ngani
what phela after umsebenzi ongaka
mawachithwe lamanzi la ngizotholeni uyangithola le so it was into ukuthi bengijabulele, but then after ku realize ukuthi shit, hey excuse me, after ku realize ukuthi no, this is not it, ngisifaka entweni egrand, but after ngizobe ngikhabathekile, ngizobe ngispanela into engekho. Let me just be patient, zikhona ezinye yabona. So that was a step. I'm doing music inside a production I'm pushing myself aside.
Okay.
So mina ngumuntu ukuthi if you are Uzi, I see a potential. I see you got plugs to make me the person that I wanna be. I'm gonna make it possible with you right now. Make you believe right now, and let's do it right now. Why not? And if you do it, iyenzeka.
Songwinile club.
Ngicedile. Ngithola le bese ngithi vula naleya. So you become no like let's go. Uyangithola le lo muntu lo makalana ngiyushap. Uyangithola. So I was that person. Not to say ukuthi yena vele maka nami bengekho sharp without me, but he's been the guy bigger pusher vele grand yabona.
But now whatever
mangifika ufilile naye and kumele afile. And I hope you listening or watching this show, man. Uyangithola le yes abangena mfethu. Shout out to you, man, for making me this person now. You know, so he really made me who I am. To be honest, he built the character that I am. Let me just put it like this, tough love.
Oh yes.
Uyangithola lento le sihlala endlini eyi-1 so i-2, but if igigi ivela khona manje bathi bafuna umuntu oyi-1 between me and you.
Between me and you.
Yimi engiyithathayo uthini? Yimi indoda ngiyaprovide ngithi. Hayi ume kancane. And now uzothini? Hayi nami ngintombazana, nami ngifuna ini? Ngifuna ukushayana nami. Uyangithola nami ngumfazi. Uyangithola, you say you standing up. So it's like that. Now my audition is like that. Let's say your indodakho. You go to audition with your man. And then bathi sicela sesovala guys, sicela who is it gonna be?
Hi baby Sala man.
Uyangithola. You're gonna go first. Uyangithola lento le. And then nayo
uzobana la hayi come on umfazi.
Kanjani akhonakala mfethu uyangithola lento le. So that's the thing mfethu ukuthi ingifundise lento le. Whenever I go to the audition, I don't have a heart for into umuntu omunye. Uyangithola, whenever it's time for me to kill is kill. Do or die. Get on the mic. That's why ingoma yami ishisa. Uyangithola le is because of mangena ngilwa nayo, and mangaphakathi kwayo I don't do it for me, I do it for the people.
Oh yes.
Whenever I perform, I don't perform for myself, I perform ukwenza abantu bajabule. That's why my facial expression is always there. I have to smile, izandla zami show people ukuthi ngijabulile, ukuthi naye makangibukela smile automatically. Akazi simanisa yini maka smile.
Because mawukwatile like bazobana okay.
Ayidlula nokudlula. Ana isikhathi sokumaza ubheka umuntu okwateleni. Uyangithola, but then if you giving me a thing, watch me. Uyangithola lento be like awuthi ngibheke mfana lo driver kamnandi kwenzakalani la.
Uyangithola kanje like that's when futhi ezolalela ke manje ithini yona le ngoma im-exercise kanje.
Uyangithola. So that's the thing, you know. So it built a lot of character in me, and then I had to like lockdown lockdown came, so I had to go back home because of where lapho besihlala khona, it was a clubhouse, and then uyangithola angeke ngikwazi ukuprovide bona. They gave me a place. Melon because director ngithi vele uyilwele indawo lena, so yithi esihlala ama-artist, so I'm the only artist that is left now. My uthi imi ngihambe, I was like, nah, hot man, yo, right now. Uyangithola? How? Because of Sodlani. Ama-gig avaliwe and all that. So I had to go back home. It was a restart now in my life. I'm saying again, thank you for bringing me here, because this is a platform whereby I get to express iphethe ngihambile, uyangithola, and that's more like a half of into engiyidlulile. Angikafiki la sengikhona manje.
All right.
So angisase ku lockdown manje.
Yeah.
So now we are after lockdown, ukuthi okay kwenzakeleni mawubuyele ekhaya Melon, uyangithola. So ngathi ngizokucela istory sonke siphelele la.
Nisifuna sonke vele, why ufanele ushiye ezinye? Nisifuna sonke. Copy and paste.
Okay. Long story short, ne, after lockdown I came home, and then kulapho ngicala khona ngizama ukusenthara ukuthi no, I don't have anyone that is pushing me now. I have to push myself. I've learned all these things. Now know the reason why undlule lezi zinto lezi. Was it for you to be that, or experience because of learn? Khona manje learn, khona manje into ongaphakathi kwayo. Yini into yazi, you know izinto ezibhaya. What does it say about you? I mean, the director would literally say, Melon, here's a poet. Melon, aqedele poem le ayishaye. Please stand there and direct lo muntu lona. I make sure ukuthi lo muntu ayibulala le poem.
Yeah.
And I made it. Uyangithola le nto le, that girl namanje uyazi ukuthi mina uyazi Melon ukuthi Melon yo, that guy is good. Uyangithola ukwazi ukuspana nabantu. Uyangithola, that's the reason why ayithi Melon spana naye. That's the reason omunye umuntu athi Melon. It's not just him, because after mangibuye ekhaya, that's whereby ngicala ukuvula music wami.
Okay.
And before lockdown, after Shia Publishing, I got a Sony. He actually came with Sony. Urikara ti baba na Sony. Uyangithola that English. So what's gonna happen now? It's only 5,000 if it. Uyangithola le nto le, you Sony funi 5,000. What?
Ikhona yona.
Asinayo 5,000 leyo. Mina nginayo 5,000. Mina ngisengikuphi ngoba ngise Clubhouse. I'm still hustling. Le mali enginayo nje imali ukuthi ngiyayipokotela ngiyazitreata nice. Uyangithola le nto le for that time being, and then get another gig. Uyangithola, I'm still getting used to that money and the routine yakhona. Uyangithola. So lockdown ishaya nje esithubeni nje. So it was lights out. So I had to come back home. Ngayishiya le ndaba ukuthi okay, let me just focus on myself. So thinking of which okay, I got ishiye ngayiflora, ngakuthola isoni ngayiflora. Sengi lockdown 21 days, basivalele endlini, depression. Me, I'm thinking of what I'm going through, or what I've been through. I was like, okay, now it's just I'm reminiscing. But I need to know ukuthi after the reminiscing, you must find a conclusion ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini manje. The ultimate self. You combine all those things that you've learned, make it one.
Funani.
And give it to people, but you product you want. I was like, the only platform is music.
Okay.
Because I can sing,
I can
dance,
you can act.
I can act on a song, on a music video.
Yes.
So that was like, no, let me just I'm a musician. Let me just focus on that and push it. Started with hip hop, Sports Scene Studio. I was recording at Sports Scene Studio. So I was growing. Sports Scene Radio, I was playing there. So bebukuyi ukuthi manje yabona ukuthi ngiyajwayela sengiyabuya egaming. Kulaphi lockdown ngathi manje sebaqala bazivulela kancane, maka basinika ama curfew. uyabona. So I was getting access, amashop ayavulwa, getting that access, uyangithola. So after then I got adopted by another company, ngisasebenza under le company hip hop ebengisebenza nayo, ebengiphusha hip hop nayo, 016.
Okay.
Yes, 065. And so we have to go to another gig. Sihlale maybe 3 hours in the hotel, 3 hours nap kuphela savuka, and then masiphuma
Uphunyulwa hlena la.
siriyeze.
Yeah.
Yabo kumele siriyeze kayiso. So I was like, I'm trying to impress her. Ngimbonisa ukuthi hey, I did a mistake. I'm sorry. Uyangithola. So I was like, awusi superstar. Uyangithola le. Ngiyakubona vele, uyangibona ukuthi vele I'm trying to dance and angitshela ukuthi awusi superstar. But then in my heart I was like, eh, after yangishaya ukuthi after vele wena mfethu, what got into your head? You thought you was a superstar, right?
Into audience like here
Yangithola, they liked my dance. Mina I should have just stick there. Not faka isandla la, uyabona. But mina vele yathi faka isandla lapha, and then yangishaya leyo. And then yeah, akwata nje kancane, and then we went home, we got paid. Sasithengela utshwala vele besilokhu sithola amabhodlela lapha ama-rider. So we went home, sasithengela just few beers just to celebrate, uyangithola, because of bokuyi-New Year.
Oh yes, I
It
remember
was
because it's 31st.
It's 31st, so it's New Year, so saseyi-1 and ngimele ngiye ekhaya futhi, ngifulele ngisekhaya. So I was like, no, let me just celebrate namajita, yabona, sihlanganene, si-reunite, and then leave, go back home, yabona. Kanti after that mfethu, that was it. So into ngitshela yona bisasekwindaba yemusic angisho. So le ndaba le kaNomcebo is the one that made me realize ukuthi, man, when you don't want to be at the back, you want to be at the front.
That's where you belong.
That's where you are. Uyangithola le nto le. So focus on that, build that, uyangithola, and it's not gonna be easy ukuthi enye i-artist ephezulu ikuthande, uyangithola le nto le, because of wena uyangale nto le yayo ukuthini, wena uyi-musician and you wanna be seen. Omunye umuntu you might get offended of the hunger that you have, uyangithola, because it's all about the hunger. When you get on the mic, it's the hunger. When you get on the turf, it's the hunger. Styling, hunger. It's all about ukuthi uyi-crave kangakanani wena le nto le. Funa ukubanika yona kangakanani, yabona. So piano was the one that actually gave me a chance to be myself. Because of hip hop, yes, it gives me a chance to express what I feel, ne? But piano gives me a chance to be, or to be what I am. Beyimi lo engimaziyo lo, umelwane engimaziyo, ngikwazi ukuba nguwe whenever ngaphakathi kwe beat piano. I just kill it because of it comes naturally, uyangithola. But when I have to go to hip hop, I don't really freestyle on a beat. I have to sit down and write my lyrics, make sure ukuthi it makes sense, uyangithola le nto leyo, it rhymes, uyangithola. But then even when I do piano, produce a beat lana, and I go on my phone and then write something, uyangithola. But
okay,
that's something that I'm gonna write is gonna be quick than leya ebengizoyenza nge-hip hop, uyangithola. Lezo yenza ukuthi manje ngishaya beat ngiyibulale manje because of le vele nginikeza feeling yami ngespeed.
Okay,
Fana nokujive kuphela ukuthi okay, ngiyazi ukuthi mina mangisengidakiwe ngivele ngilimazi, uyangithola. Mangidakiwe mina hayi bayazi ngami, uyangithola. So nayo injalo, injalo, mangiyigcoka ngivele ngithi abazoyazi ngami. Yes, that's piano for me. So that's why it works for me. That's why I'm able to be. So it's ekwazi ukungivumela ukuthi ngitap to the magic owami, to be the ultimate self, uyangithola. Ayilimiteli anything, ingivumela ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenza anything. Even ingivumela nokuthi ngibe a better musician under hip hop or on the hip hop side, because the transition that I got after ukuthi ngipush piano, it gave me a different transition that has even my Kasi style.
Okay.
So I was like, I sound way better than lo melon lo waqala hip hop uyangithola lento
ukhulile, man.
lo ukhulile simply ukhuliswe yini piano because le sound le anayo manje uyithole through ipiano. So that simply means ukuthi piano was the way for me to actually find myself, to find my voice, find my tune. And people love my tune. Bayakhala futhi abanye ukuthi ayi wena yo alishisi beat mfethu alishisi
Hey.
yeah, so my music is always nice. So shout out to a producer Yami, 2K Beats. He's always there whenever there's a big artist who wants to feature me. I always call him, he always come. Whenever I'm working on a project, trying to release a song, he's always there whenever I need him. He delivers and he makes sure ukuthi standard so music kwami see on a top level. So my company, it helps me A-listers. I am the founder of A-listers. So A-listers is a media and entertainment company. Ngifundisa abantwana abancane ukudansa, like not bancane like kiddies, but I'm taking like is boma grade 7, boma high school. I get my sebanengqondonyana, so I can deal with that. So I'm teaching them ama dance. Lento bengiyifundiswa yona. Remember ukuthi ngafundiswani and lezinto ngasifundiswa kanjani. So now it's no longer a just a journey, it's a spiritual journey. Ngitho le ndlela engihamba indlela engifundiswa yona leti director wami he was always besesontweni, we always had to pray. We always had to pray. Siriyezela e-church, silala e-church.
Wow.
Masihole sithenga ukudla e-church.
Yes.
Ama cross night laba azowayenza e-church. Anyeke bawenza silele. Silala kanjani? Umsindo ukhona e-church.
Niyajoin.
Ama Sunday sessions we have to be there. Sometimes we fast for into enyamasifuna yabona. So the journey engilene it was too spiritual. I was like, shit, excuse me. I was like, ish. As in, I'm loving this. It's too natural. I feel aligned. So mangizosuka lapho is a disconnect because of it was like it's more like a group of angels. So when you leave routine spiritless sayehla is like break a chain. So I try to find myself, but in ngabona ngathi I'm gonna lose it, but let me try to focus, meditate now center usikhumbula ukuthi ubani. Though you know ukuthi mayisesona and expand, it's not like wonke umuntu vele uhlezi endaweni eyi-one. It's not like you moving backwards, you moving forward. So now ukumachura kwami ngalento enginayo into kumele ngifundise abanye abantu. There are people that actually need what I have. Abangibheke so but as in lo muntu I feel like is a supernatural. How does he do this? Udinga ukuthi mina ngimfundise ukuthi lento le ngithole kanjani. What if ke mangamfundisa yena he could do better than me. Because mina I believe ukuthi as I became this, you are also greater to become what you want to be. You are a goddess njengoba uhlezi sona. I don't just look at you as a human in a body flesh, but I see you as a goddess because of you came here as a mission. It's a mission that you have to fulfill. So me, I also have my mission as a god, maybe a self-god. That's how I put it. So it's more like kumele ngifulfile lento bengilena bengangenzi ukuthi ngizivalele bengibuild ukuthi ngikwazi ukubuyela ekhaya ngiyobanikeza yona because of in my hood we don't have what we call art centers.
Okay.
Arts facility centers we don't have. Eval we don't have art centers whereby we find a group of artists, abanye badancer, abanye bashaya indlamu, abanye bashaya ini, abanye ba-act, bashaya impempe, you know that. So we don't have that. So abantu abakwazi ukuthola that platform yokuthi mangithi ngifuna ukuba yini kumele ngiyekuphi. They don't have that. They don't have that option. Yabalimitele ukuthi now we have to work. Now we have to go to school and study. I don't want to be dead. I don't want to be dead. But I'm forced to now because of ngibona ngathi isystem yangilimit. So we might be the light to that. New director sase high
Esasengqini,
school
yeah.
uyangithola akwazi ukubona ukuthi okay it's possible umelana ukwazi ungifaka kuphi when you look at it so mdala uzobona ukuthi no I can be this, I can be that, I can be that. Ube ngifundisa lo muntu ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenza so as much as nami ngisho ukuthi bonke abantu bebangifundisa bangifundise this and that uyangithola. So I've learned a lot from them, but now I need to teach it to the kids. So that's what I'm doing. That's what ADSS is doing, teaching the kids. Also shoot a music video, shoot a imishado, a party. Then I host events because of njengoba shuti. I'm gonna do a birthday celebration.
Oh, the tour.
Yes, the tour. Yes, I'm doing the tour. So yeah, sizofocus on tour manje vele.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I-birthday yakho uthe inge-23, right?
23.
And then itour iqala
Itour
nge-20.
izoqala nge-28.
Okay.
Yes, izoqala nge-28. So people would just follow on social media babheke ukuthi siyakuphi, masuka kuphi,
Okay.
masuka kuphi,
Siyakuphi,
yes. So yeah, I think ukuthi so far so good. 28 might begin, and we have someone that is going to collaborate on my birthday celebration. At no angisali now.
Oh man,
because of he invited me on his birthday celebration last week. You know, that was weeks ago. You know, so I went there and performed on the show. He liked my work. You know, so I was like, how about
Mm-hmm.
He was like, no ways, njayami. When uyashaya umsebenzi mfethu angithola le I would very much love ukuthi ngihambise nawe le birthday celebration tour. And of which this guy man is like, yo, uVukani mfethu is Vukani, ne? uVukani, if you guys know Vukani, official Vukani, check him on Instagram. So that guy is dope. Abaningi bamazi bakhulu ngomculo wakhe angithola. So yeah, uyacavakala too much. He's well respected in the streets. So now he's gonna collaborate with King Melon RSA on his birthday celebration. So kuzoba my birthday celebration A2.
Okay.
So I let her end when A1. So I ends with a powerful. So I let her end when A1. So I'm gonna be touring so I'm gonna take him to some of the events. I'm not sure ukuthi ngizomfaka wonke yabona. Yes, because kumele nginike nabanye chance ngithi babheke. So I'm going to take him, ngimfake yiso, ngimfake nada. So he also does the same with me.
Okay.
Because of naye makafika kuma birthday tour akhe kuphi also he hangs with like big artists. Hamba nama artists are big yena. Birthday tour yakhe yayibona na yashisa. Yashisa waphethe. Shout out to you Vukani. Yeah, we phethe into yakhe yabona. So now it's all about that. It's all about birthday celebration. Oh, by the way, I've just released ama-CD engiwareleasile so far. Thingeze lapho kuphiyana ama-CD engiwareleasile so far. Itumeleng EP is the one that is officially on digital stores.
Okay.
So Itumeleng EP is on stores, YouTube, Amazon, iTunes. Apparently it's not available on Spotify. You know, so yeah. Official, maybe in future it will be. Yes. So it's available there. So Itumeleng is nice because of the song. The first song is Itumeleng. It also got an airplay at MTV Base.
Wow.
And also Cape Town TV. So it got an airplay there. And also Channel O is a little bit promising. It's a little bit promising, you know. I'm gonna make sure that it happens. So yeah, Channel O, I'm also gonna come this year. Itumeleng is gonna pop kakhulu lapho ku Channel O. You know, anyeke stress nje so fake pressure. Ngithola lento lesifake pressure. And then i-release a year before the last. So last year ngize ngaba busy kakhulu ngokuphusha music video. I did not release much of music. Ngithola ngize ngaqala ngaphusha i-music video ngiphusha i-music video ukuthi ngipromote ibe right iyazakala yabona. So this year was a time for me to focus on myself again. That's why I came with a song ngifeature uMabhoza wase-TV. Ubuyile bafethu uMabhoza wase-TV, mamela le ngoma leyo nyibizi balele by King Melon RSA feature uMabhoza TV, uMabhoza wase-TV. Ohamba no 2K beats uzibiza Black 2K. So check it out on YouTube, King Melon RSA balele featuring uMabhoza wase-TV, Black 2K. Uyangithola. So yeah. It's doing wonders now. Ever since ngi-release people love it. Ngithola abantu bayithanda estradini balele abayazi mfethu. I was like mfethu yanyiwa, no, people are loving the movement. Ngithola. So now they're saying balele dance challenge, sifuna balele dance challenge.
Okay.
On social media, I think I need to like screenshot it, ne? Screenshot and then just give it to people. Ngibona ukuthi bazothini ba react kancane yabona. So I feel like it's the thing ukuthi people bangibonisa ukuthi ba interested to see more, to hear more of the song. Come on, give us more, man. Ngithola lento bafuna lento le. So that's what I'm going to give. The moment abantu ba interact with your work, it shows ukuthi you are growing. It shows direction. Ngithola lento, it shows ukuthi lento oyenzayo
inayo taste
yabambeke uyangithola.
Okay, like kune itumeleng kune balele yiphi ongathanda ukususa yona ke? Because bese ngithe itumeleng because igama lakho. I was like, oh okay, ithi manje sengicurious lapha kubalele ke manje.
So yeah, itumeleng, let me just break it down for you. Itumeleng kancane nje ne, just a short brief. Itumeleng is more like, Itumeleng is my name. Kahle. King Melon is a stage name. Itumeleng is my real name, my birth name. So I felt like people need to rejoice.
Okay.
I was like, as in, batho ba itumela. But first, litlo itumela jwang? O tlamehile tsebe hore ke mang. Itumeleng utumme ka. That's why I was like, on the song Itumeleng how we mamela, it says uskampotsa ka di millionaire. Hare qale mo, guys. Come on. This goes to everyone. This goes to you. Baske be ba o jwetsa ka di millionaire because lwana o mang uzine. I mean, your Z is your name. Ne comes from million. Ne.
Okay.
Yes. So me, I'm saying, don't tell me about millionaires, because Lina, I'm a future. Actually, I am Melon. Ne. You know, so I'm a future millionaire. You know, that's what I'm trying to say. I mean, you gotta understand. You must never let another man's success shade or offend or discourage or some kind of way, simply because of its strength sakhe. So you must understand with the strength sakhe. But lo muntu lo uphuma lapho uphuma khona, not exactly the same steps, but he knows the struggle. Uyangithola lento lo muntu lona, he might be seeing worse than what you've seen. Uyangithola, and then when I go judge according to ubulazi bakho.
Ucabanga ukuthi ngoba laphayana uvesene waba laphayana.
No.
He started there.
Yes. So kahle Itumeleng is all about that. Ngibreaka le chain leyo. And again, mangi just imagine being on TV and saying, don't tell me about millionaires. I am millionaire. And I made it happen because I've said on the song, yazi ngivele ngathi nakuthamba, ngivele ngathi hakirata nna ngahlubula. Skamang Skatos, wamtsiba tosa na shapa mlando. Yamazi tos.
No. Oh yeah.
Tos. Straight tos umazinga ngomepi. Umlando. Yeah. And ubenzeni ubehlubulile lapha yana. So what I'm trying to say is that I can do what Tos did. uyangithola nami ngingahlubula njengoTosi makabashaya umlando avela abhamuke
Yeah.
so nami ngisho kanjalo ake katani nankahlubula sikaTosi umlando sibhamuke uyabona so I'm trying to raise a bar ngibabonisa abantu be hip hop ukuthi still hip hop uyangithola lento leya ngishaye side banana nje uyabona so it's just that ukuthi itumeleng it's all about breaking the chain asilwe namuntu it's just about ukuziveza now abantu bayaziside like ukuthi no asiqaleni lapha sihloniphaneni siyazaneni uyangithola lento le don't discourage me or don't make me feel this way and I'm not shooting at anyone but I'm just saying uyangithola to anyone who actually is interested in knowing me just know ukuthi la ngidlaleli lana uyangithola ngisebenza kanje mina so that was the thing breaking the chain breaking ama walls nje and then after then obviously it caught it an attention.
Yeah.
It got an attention. I mean, why would you go on TV and sing a song like that? But it's nice. We want to see more. We want to see growth. You know how fans are. Fans bazothi one time hit. After so consistency is not for small boys. Right. That is where I apply my skill leya engiphuma kuyo leya yokuthi you must be consistent stamina into oyidingayo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola igig uyangithola lento leya so I mean I always put that pressure leya lapha in my work. That is how I make progress every time. That's how I see progress by applying pressure on myself and on my work. That's how I see output. But if I don't, it's like announcing a thing ingakayenzakala. You feel like you already did it. Yeah, I feel like I already so yenzile. So overall,
okay.
Into ibalele. So balele is also nice.
Okay.
People should stream it. Isazuza ngamasimba chips. Izuza ngamasimba chips.
Okay, I understand.
Chips.
Yeah.
So ibalele hayi. Mabhoza osebenzile lapho. So we're gonna push it kakhulu. Watch it out. Watch out for the space. Watch out for the space. Ibalele social music video soon. Ngizoyilaunchela a single show.
Okay.
Single show or single launch. Ngalingoma leyo nje. Balele. So ngiyabavusa. Yakuze ngiyabatshela ukuthi balele. Ngibuyisa mina mangicula ngibuyisa into zakudala. So ngithi balele bengisabavusa.
Oh really?
Yes, bese nsekere ngwagona ke abavusa. Simple.
Okay.
This sebangena.
Okay.
Sesikhathele industry mfuna kanjalo uya foster. If ungafoster uthami uzosala. Strunas uzosala. Industry ufuna upushe. Ifuna ukuthi ungabheka umuntu. Ifuna ukugila umuntu.
So that uzothola
uzokuvulela indlela nakusasa mawuvela. Uyangithola if you don't do that kusasa mawuvela uzoma endleleni.
You said something about Valentine.
Oh, event abogogo.
Yeah.
It's a celebration abogogo nabomkhulu. Yo, there's a large number yabogogo abezayo. Abogogo abaningi bayeza from different, abantu abaningi ba offerile ukuthi emakasi wabo bayenze a collective number yabogogo nabomkhulu bazobabhukhela ibhasi. They're gonna come straight to the location. So basenda ama list wabo. Mabhoza he was counting the list. I was like, yo, i-listing ama list nje ukuthi ngisalile yakuphi ngidakuphi. Melon kumele sebenze. So he's hosting the event yena. But mina I'm his friend. Mina looks ngiyanceda lapho ngikwazi ukunceda khona.
Ama spices
lapho ngikwazi ukufaka ama spice khona. Uyangithola. So yeah, event abogogo nabomkhulu hosted by Mabhoza. Kuzo Rethabile, kuza uVukani, kuza uTPZ, kuza mina of course, Kimelo Narese, kuza u2K Beats, Jimaro, ama showstoppers and various artists. So yeah, it's gonna be epic. Abogogo bazodla ba celebrate we showing appreciation to all people. Showing appreciation to abantu abadala basikhulisile basiraise baze basikhulisela abantwana namanje basasekhona basasikhulisela abantwana bethu.
Yeah.
So they've been through a lot, and Valentine is always celebrating uthando labantu abayi-2. What about abantu abazalile? Uyangithola. So we need to show appreciation nalapho.
Wow,
Yes, so we're doing something for them. Bazodla kamnandi ukudla, sibaperformele, babona ama-celebrity, bahambe baye emakhaya mhlawumbe sebaphethe namahempanyana. And then again uyabona ke ilanga elimnandi emini, ebusuku siyahamba semakhaya siyorelaxa.
Okay, i-event le izoba kuphi?
14 February eDidieri, bayibiza eDinkung. Dinkung Didieri. So whenever you are at Didieri, you ask for Didieri police station, you said Dinkung, but you said thing. Or just on an event called Dinkung, they will take you there, or they will show you where is it.
Okay.
Yeah. So born as your figure and shit.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
So like ukhuluma ngokuthi like since uyi-artist ekhozukile, like kade uhamba kade ukhuzuka uvuke.
Yeah.
Awaphi ama-challenges ofacana nawe along the way?
Oh, it's a lot. You know, when it comes to my challenges, angeke ngikwazi ukwa-pinpointa wonke ngesikhathi esiyi-1, but engingakwazi ukuziveza nje straight ama-challenges like i-teamwork.
Okay.
Is like when you're an artist, you need a team. Angithola any team ukuthi iyathembakala, because normally ama-artist avelayo always ama-team mostly. Avelayo, I can mention, them, ama-artist ukuthi avele ne-group, and then all of a sudden boom, ngenxa yokuthi baxabene maybe, uyangithola. So kuyabhifana into ezinjalo, production ayisekho esipanini. So now I've been facing something ukuthi ifana nokuthi I did not have people that are consistent in the work. And so abantu bengisebenza bengibamba la nyeka ngisebenzela ngeke so it destroyed me, ingibhayizisile lento le, especially ukusebenza from jumping from this company to this company, jumping from this company to this company. Angithola khumbula ukuthi ngishiya i-profile yami la. Bese ngiyaphuma ngena kule no wenzani akwazi ukulanda i-profile yami ngapha. Ngifuna ungicreate le profile yami. So that's why on my social media YouTube account, you can find Kim Melon abayi 3 esisebenzayo zi-2. Shukuthi A1 ngi-create account ngapha ngayenza hip hop, ngakhipha ingoma, and then after lapho mangizokhipha ipiano ngilikhipha under a new profile or a company enye. And they create a new profile abayilink ne-account le, so they create a new YouTube account. Mangizo-release nami i-YouTube ithi kimi ama-account wakho asazi ukuthi usebenzisa maphi lapha. So thina sokhiphela kwi-account yakho.
No ways. Awukwazi hlani ukuzilinka?
I couldn't link them at first place, but now I've realized no, there's something that I can do. But then as for my indaba ukuthi ama-account ayi-3 or ama-account amaningi, I have to go back to those companies and beg them to delete my accounts and my music there, so that my music can be on one platform.
Yeah.
And so that one it's been a challenge which being facing lately. So I was like, no, for me to be safe, let me just create my YouTube channel straight there. So I know I release my music videos there. Ngicala ngama music videos ngakhiphela lapho, and then umculo wami omunye singles ngakhiphela la ama single wami, and then I can also link that YouTube account with the distributor or distribution or the distribution what do you call it, app Uyangithola?
Okay.
I-app engizodistribute umculo wami ngayo on digital stores. I can also link it with the YouTube channel, and then mabayikhipha automatically iyawela ngalaso. So I'm now safe, but on the side ukuthi ngiye phambili, but on the side ukuthi abantu mabangena on YouTube bathi King Melon RSA,
kuvela abaningi.
but then you'll find me wonke umculo lo active. Not to say umculo lo phethwe yilama company active wona, but I don't have access to those accounts.
Right.
Even split sheets, split sami like account details, contact numbers link you to my account, inflora everything. I lost those things. So isn't ukuthi zangibhalisa ama emails, I lost emails and cell phone numbers. So angikwazi kumele ngibuyele to those people and claim, maybe if I can do that and try to tell them that ngifuna uclaim la account lena, and then by then I already have an account. Can you please do something with link am account to pay in day one? Maybe then that's whereby we can come up with a solution. But so far so good. That one has been like the most challenging engifacile. And then the other one, finding gigs lately as a musician, because of now you cannot get gigs phela naphela. Ayethu a musician, you still need to push yourself. Abanye abantu, they don't believe in your music yet. And then you believe in yourself and you want to push that. You umnikeza idea and akayiboni idea. So it becomes hard for you to actually uzame to the next one. But how about hold it back kancane, ukhulisa profile yakho and then go back again.
Okay.
So I thought about that. It was a challenge ukuthi bengiyifacile, but ngayilungisa ngespeed ngathi no, let me just fix my profile first. And then izinto zami ziqonde, then after let me reapproach again and see what's going to happen. Whether they like it or not, abanye bazongivuma, abanye abangivuma, nobody not everybody will love you. I'm told not ngeke ningithande nonke. So might love me, might not love me, might love me, might not love me. So mina into kumele ngiyenze nje ukuthi ngi-appreciate ukuthi khona abantu abangithandayo, khona nabantu abangangithandi. So it gives me pressure to become the person that I don't know, ingayi balance actually to my emotions, which at least I'm not always happy. Khona nento ukuthi sangiyenza ukuthi ngikwade kancane. Yeah. So yeah. Challenges lokho kuphela. And finances also.
Ukuzipusha ne.
Yo.
Because phela like independent ne.
I'm independent.
Okay.
Yo. Struggle semali.
Mele ukuthi ukhiphe from your pocket ukuyenza music video, record,
uyenza music video, it costs like 8,000, 12,000 upwards to make a proper music video. And then for me, I created a platform now. That's where my company again ingena khona. I think ngifundisa abantwana ngathi media company, shoot ama music video, shoot ama weddings and all that. So iyanginceda. I-artist ekhona on that company is me. I signed my own self. Yimi induna yami.
Ubani bekethe usayinile?
MTK.
MTK. MTK uthe usayinile yena uthe uqale ngaye wasayina.
Yeah. So now that's the part. You know, if you feel like udinga record label ukuthi ukwazi ukuphusha, create a record label and sign yourself. Then push yourself, because of now it's a benefit both sides. The record label, it benefits, but it goes to your account. And the music itself, nakuwe independent, you are benefit. And
you are your own boss.
You are your own boss. I was going to rob. You know, we're talking is robbing.
Yeah.
So it's better to have a record label of your own and sign yourself and push yourself. Mine is not a record label, but I'm gonna make it a PR. And I wanna manage artists and PR them.
Okay.
Yes, I feel like I need to do that because I have power to do that. It's just I need to have someone ukuthi ngimthathe icala engamsayina after me, because the work is in me. I'm doing everything for me. Whatever they see is me. Ukuthi ngivele kuphi yimi, MTV base yimi, ngivele kuphi yimi, ukuthi ngidlala ku radio station interview is me. Uyangithola? So might as well do that. Kusasa lana I'll be bringing my artist khona lana futhi izohave interview now, you know. So it's something ukuthi that's where it's going now.
Right.
Yes, I'm gonna bring my artist in future. I'm gonna bring my artist to you and say, you know what, Z, I have this new artist and potentially corner, and you are push and manje sengisendleleni ukuthi manje ngimveze manje, uyangithola. So uzangitshela ke ukuthi kwenzakalani ke uzi-staff sakhe ummamelo uhlale ne-team ni decide ukuthi nenza kanjani, angithola. Yes, so that's where I want to take it. I want to manage artists, push them, so it's taking my pockets. It's la igimi la yabona, but then inceda mina ngokwenzani mangizipusha mina engcono. You know, because of le mali mangiphopa umsebenzi omuphi engiyazi ukuthi ngizomika sure ukuthi ngiyawenza. If it's a music video, I make sure ukuthi angifambule in front of a camera. I make sure that I deliver.
Because you are doing it
because I'm doing it for me and for the company, making sure ukuthi umsebenzi kumele yonke into be iqonde. Futhi makuwumnikazi wayo uzomika sure ukuthi ihamba the way we phupha ngakhona ebusuku. So that's the thing.
Right. Okay. What are you hoping for ku music industry? Like ngiyabona ukuthi like ukhuzukile, like you've been through a lot. Yini like ongayi expect how ukuthi not ongayi expect. Yini ongayi okhalela ukuthi ingayenzakala yeah.
Okay. That one, it goes back to my hood, ne? As much as I've been to Makasi Amanye, I've seen with Makasi Amanye how well developed are, you know, because Amanye Makasi, they have things that we don't have in our hood, you know. Not to say we are poor, but we don't have some other things that we need to have to equip ourselves. So starting with what? I'm a facility center, arts facility center.
Oh yeah, you said it.
Yeah, I've said it earlier on. We need more of arts facility center because of it's a platform whereby young kids get to express. Ile platform meanings I'm going but I'm independent and I can only open it as a team or company that young child is to accommodate that. Me, I need a facility center whereby
because of any equipment
and even ama-company sonke thina ama-company sikwazi ukuyobhukha ama-rehearsal fees lapho siletha ama-artist wethu sirehezele lapho. If sifuna ukurehezisa ama-artist, because now my struggle in my company now it's a place to rehearse.
Okay.
Ngicale ukufundisa abantwana estradeni gate lakithi. Take the sound outside amp, outside extension, laptop, and play my songs, and then teach them the dance. When I'm fundis bagcwala estradeni about like 18 kids nje abaningi nje abanye basemaceleni abafuna abanye baswaba ukungena abanye ngithi ngibabekele eceleni ngithi no what futhi babaningi basestradeni ithi ngisebenza ngalabe enginabo and then abanye zalo ngibafaka ngikhiphe laba ngifake abanye ngikhiphe laba ngifake abanye. So that was the struggle. Kuyashisa ilanga nali umntana uyanetha nini kuyanetha umntana nyekeze rehearsalini kunethe azojive estradini kundlula wonke umuntu ubukele umsebenzi esiwenzayo. So sometimes it's more like we naked.
Yeah.
I can't give out the fully skill.
Like for instance, if ufuna ukwenza i-event like wonke umuntu bekene access yobukela the time beku-rehearsal, so uzobabonisa ne-stage into abayaziyo bani umuntu ozofuna
uyabona already sesiyazi ukuthi ubani ungena ngengoma ethize ubani ungena ngengoma ethize. So mayisenjalo sesiyazi ukuthi hayi nanoma ngingalithenga itikiti ngingazimela ngaphandle nje
ngiyayazi ukuthi makudlala ingoma eso
ngicula ubhekile uyabona. So after ubani kungena ubani uyabona. So that's the thing ukuthi i-rehearsal idinga i-privacy privacy, and we artists, we don't have privacy endawo ukuthi sikwazi uku-rehearse sibe comfortable eVaal. Uyangithola? So to the municipalities kumele ukuthi at least cabangelani i-artistic side yaseVaal ukuthi we have kids, we have talent, and i-talent lelo lidinga ukugrow.
And futhi liselincane kuhle
Lincane,
singahlangani nawe manje sofunda ukudansa
usenqinile amanye mngaka uyangithola lento le. And now it's what happens to a lot of people, but end up basebathi let me just do what everybody's doing, let me just look out for a job. Uyangithola lento leyo ngizama ukusurvive ngibe grand. I mean, we all know ukuthi mona 9 to 5 it's something ukuthi yenza to survive. To be honest, umuntu munye, like everybody une dream yakhe, but the dream yakhe, I think it also engages with synchronization with your talent, your abilities. Uyangithola omunye uphiwe scale but uthola i-talent yakhe uyi-expressa nge-science. Uyangithola ufundile but i-talent yakhe uyi-expressa nge-science. Whenever he's mixing the potions with his mind, he creates something that is bombastic, out of this world, simply because of uyifundile, wayi-understanda futhi wayi-mastera, wazama ukwenzani ukuyi-recreate ngendlela yakhe. Now you have reached the point of understanding, or futhi under i-mastering le. Yeah, you read about something, omunye uyayifunda kuphela uyikremile, omunye uyayifunda uyi-understand, omunye uyayifunda uyi-manifesta, but ayikafiki kahle. Omunye uyayifunda uyi-manifesta, uyi-understand, uyi-master, maceda uyi-recreate.
Yabona.
That's whereby uthola i-student sibhekene ne-challenge teacher ngesame i-1 ukuthi pure teacher esencwadini uyamphikisa kusiyo incwadi wrong kanjani, uyabona, shayela yona ngespeed ukuthi uyimasterile yena lento le, over understandile ungale, uyabona. So yes, we need ukuthi abantwana abancane ba develop at early stage so that they can reach that level. Abasebadala bafika 20 years, 21, 22, now they know what they want. We go to a varsity that you know, not ukuthi uhambe uyozama. Bayingaki abantu abayi-varsity only to study for into abangayifuni and ba waste ibhazari. After iminyaka khona bathola into abayifunayo, ibhazari imoshekile.
Understand, and isikhathi sabo
simoshekile. So if only they get to know what ama-abilities wabo early stages, then we know ukuthi umntana uhamba ngendlela ipath enjani, uyakuphi after this stage. Makaphuma esikoleni ngiyamhambisa ngimisa kuphi, after matric uyakuphi, then varsity, which varsity is suitable for umntana, uyabona. I-research, it's something that parents should do, uyabona. Nalabo abancane ngibaphethe, their parents need to do that also. They need to like do research ngomntana akho, umbheke ukuthi okay, njengoba makabuyi uthanda ukujive more than uku-act, uthanda uku-acta more than ukujive, uyabona. So that simply means kusho ukuthi kumele athole more of i-acting, uyangithola, nayo le kumele ayithola ayijwayele makaleya more of it. So into ezinjalo, izinto ukuthi you notice nasesikoleni umntana ugood nge-maths, i-maths yakhe ngiyabona excel, uyabona. So it's all about that, ukuthi manage umntwana and then you make i-teacher ukuthi ibe simple ukuthi ayenze into leyo. So yeah, it's hard for thina ama-teachers asifundisa abantwana nokuthi manje kumele sibheke nokuthi futhi bathole indawo esafe for ukuthi bariyeze babe sharp, babuye baphelele bangalimalanga bangatshontshwanga. It's our struggle. So umasipala nje kumele sincede nje lapho nje mayengafaka nje ama-facility center, people get to have a place, a home of art.
Comfortable, yes. Alright, since ukhuluma labantwana labana kena, and obvious bakhona abantwana bakubonela from distance eVaal, ababona from distance abangayaziyo abesabayo futhi ukuthi bazoza kanjani, we understand. So like for them ukuthi babe,
it's simple. The contact number yami ikhona. We can just or on social media. They can just holler at me on social media. To be honest, your social media, I don't check on my inbox. I am lying. Let me just put it straight. A cell phone number yami.
Okay.
Yes. Should I give out my social number on people?
Yeah, you can if you're comfortable ukuthi kuthiwe hello unjani
Hey.
ebusuku ngo-10.
Hey. Yeah, so yeah, if unengane obona ukuthi une-talent and he or she's around Val and usase-teenager, yeah, ubona i-potential ukuthi une-potential mara udinga isandla esi-right, ngikhona. I'm based at Sebokeng. Inamba yami it's 065 55 760 96. Igama it's A-Listers Entertainment. Yes, yiyo ezokunceda lapho. And then you're gonna speak directly with me and my team. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it will be my team. So yeah, that number, let me repeat the number, it's 065 55 760 96. Thank you.
Alright, it's bangakufonela ebusuku kakhulu.
Cela ningangifonela ebusuku.
Alright, Gebudam, is there any message you would like to send to abantu or friend?
Okay.
There's
There's no way ukuthi ngabe ne-message for nina. Message ukhona bafowethu. Brothers and sisters at home. Yo, kunzima ukuba i-artist. But after all, we love you. It's not easy. Let me just put it like that. It's not easy. If wena uyifuna lento le mngani wami, if wena uthi uyayifuna, kumele uyazi ukuthi uyalwa. You fight angisho. Whatever it takes, uyayenza mfowethu. Be humble. Learn to be humble. Respect the next person because you never know ukuthi angakenzelani. You know. So, and don't expect whenever you are with people. Show them, give more than you get so that they will also do the same. It's the energy.
Yeah.
So, akukho lula. It's either you do or die. It's either iPhone noma uyifoni. It's either ulambile noma usuthi. So, it's either ulele noma uvukile. Uyangithola lento leyo.
Balele.
Balele. Balele. It's either ulele noma uvukile mfowethu, uyangithola. So, in this game, we don't sleep. In this game, as relaxi. Yebo siyalala, but doesn't mean ukuthi you sleep on your dreams or on yourself. Always focus. Temptations dingata bafethu. In the industry, let's get temptations. You know, let's get jwala. Let's get the chiquitas tailoring. I didn't control, bruh. And they are beautiful. Yo, they are beautiful. So whenever you feel like you wanna be what we are now, or ufuna ukuphila life esiphilayo, just know ukuthi discipline it's at its highest peak. And so you discipline everything that's around you. You discipline yourself. You discipline your mind. You don't no taverns, you don't do that. You focus on yourself. You grow yourself. Education and financial stability, man. Let's go.
Okay. Thank you so much, man. Ngicela ama-socials wakho before
wrap up. Oh,
yep.
Sizokuyivala. All right. Okay. Facebook is Kim Melon RSA. Instagram KimMelon_RSA.
Okay.
TikTok KimMelon_RSA. YouTube siyakuma digital platforms. YouTube, I have my YouTube channel Kim Melon RSA, not official or what Kim Melon RSA. Uzoyithola inama music video phela and a few singles. Only one single, balele bengisabavusa ngicela ukuyirelease no eyami noMabhoza no Black 2K. So make sure you listen to it. Sazenza ama-Simba Ships.
All right.
So thank you, Z. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you,
it's been a pleasure. Yo, ngaze express. I feel free now. I'm a human. Yazi, I'm an artist. I think at this. No wonder I see now why you guys like Nibiza I'm an artist to base was express. Like we really need this platform to express ourselves. sikhombisa ukuthi nathi sabantu siyaphila, we have
man.
emotions, we don't just
Yeah.
sing, act on, siyaphila nathi sinemizwa, and si appreciate amani lokunesupporta. Keep the money coming, guys.
Right, thank you so much. Nathi siyabonga hleni ukuthi usivakashele uzosharela istory sakho, izinto ebesizazi ngawe nezinto ebesingazazi. We understand ukuthi ubuya kuphi. We appreciate that.
Okay.
Cool.
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday in advance.
Oh, ay.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Should I say anything?
Yeah.
Shout out to you, Z's Cozy Corner. Shout out to you, Z. Shout out to the cameraman. Shout out to myself.
Oh.
Shout out to my fans. Shout out to everybody. Birthday celebration years abafethu. Ngicela udropa ibalele. Like, listen to it, guys. I'm a promo video ayaphuma la, so kuyanyiwa ku social media, and bookings, guys, bookings. Keep them bookings coming, bafethu. Sikwazi ukuphalia, sikwazi ukuzuba umnandi. King Melon already, bafethu. Asiphezu kwawo baba. Issue.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We really appreciate ukuthi nihleli nahlala nathi nahlala naze nahlala nabukela. We appreciate you guys. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusifollowa, like everything kuma social, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Z's Cozy Corner. Thank you so much, guys. And TikTok. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate you. Happy birthday!
Yay! We love you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.